Step 1. Make sure to cover buttons and charging port to prevent the adhesive inflows. Insert absorption pads and pin loader. Check the shape. Step 2. Push the back of the device to confirm the device is placed properly into the jig. Use cleaning kit to remove any dust and fingerprint on the screen. Double check if the device is well placed into the jig. Step 3. Place the speaker masking film onto the hole, and make sure to cover the speaker. Assemble the position bridge and the pin. Step 4. Open the color cap of adhesive and insert into the position bridge hole. Turn to open the black cap and leave it for 30 seconds until the adhesive flows out completely. Remove the position bridge and adhesive bottle. Step 5. Remove the liner film and place the glass to be leaned on the pin. Double check the glass alignment. Step 6. Push the bottom of the jig to let adhesive flow towards the center of the screen. When the adhesive reaches to the center, let go of your hand, and then remove the pin. Wait 100 seconds until the adhesive completely spreads out. Step 7. First curing step 15 seconds at the bottom, middle and top each. Remove jig and remove side masking sticker. Step 8. Second curing step 60 seconds at the bottom and top each. Read in the second curing step once more.